Hi, hello, welcome to Manama indiaAtoZchannel. Today recipe is egg masala recipe. Take 3 to 5 eggs, clean it, then put a bowl to the stove. Add 2 cups pure water, flame on, cook it well. Take onion 2, chili 3, tomato 1, ginger small piece, garlic 5 piece. Chop onion, tomato, chili, then ginger garlic paste, then a piece of curry leaves. Boiled eggs, remove the shell and small cuttings in the white part of the egg. Masala items: turmeric powder 1 tablespoon, chili powder 1 spoon, masala powder 1 tablespoon, pepper powder 1 tablespoon, 1 tablespoon salt. Put a pan to the stove, flame on high flame, sunflower oil or cooking oil 2 spoon added, 1 tablespoon mustard added, add chopped onion to the oil, mix it well. Mix it well when it is in red color form. Light red color formed, then add ginger garlic paste. Mix it well. 2 minutes later, add the curry leaves and mix it well. Add chopped green chili and tomato. Then mix. Close it and cook for 5 minutes. 5 minutes later, open and mix it. Then add the whole items of masala. Chili powder, turmeric powder, pepper powder, masala powder and salt. Then mix it. Add 2 glasses of water. Then mix it. Then correct the salt. Mix it. Then add the eggs to the curry. Then toast it for 10 minutes cooking. Then open the curry. The curry is ready. Then close the curry, flame off. To change a serving bowl after 5 minutes. The tasty delicious egg masala recipe is ready. Thank you for watching.